As electronics and device manufacturers, you are changing the way people interact with the world around us. Thinner devices, more intricate components, stronger batteries, brighter light sources, and more sophisticated lenses. Components often subjected to secondary manufacturing processes. One of our clients needed to use low-heat reflow soldering to attach a small transparent component onto a smart device. The heat involved caused the component to distort and discolor, leading to a higher rejection rate. Apec was the perfect material to tackle this challenge. Apart from being heat-resistant, the required UV curing process had no effect on the clarity or color of the component, which strongly reduced the rejection rate. Since Apec is polycarbonate, minimal adjustments to the production process were needed, enabling our client to save valuable time and extra costs. If you want to improve the efficiency of your production process, Apec can.